If you have ever wondered how to use Grok 3 on your laptop or computer, or maybe if you're just looking for the easiest way to install it without any complicated steps, you are in the right video. In this video, I will show you how to install Grok 3 the easiest way in just a few seconds. Let's get started. Here you're going to open any web browser and simply search Grok. You're going to open this website, and here you're going to go to the top right, scroll down, find here cast, save and share, and you're going to simply click here on install Grok. And here again you're going to click on install. As you can see here now, it's now installed. This is the easiest way to get Grok on your laptop or computer. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.